Here we go. It's time for the February 2023 SketchBox. Let's open up this little beauty and see just what is inside. This month in our SketchBox, I'm going to just pull everything out so that I can find. I'm seeing a lot of marks on here, so I'm guessing we've got something that's a little messy inside there. Here's our little SketchBox sticker. Interesting. Little hint of what's in the box. Okay, so there's everything that was in the SketchBox. Now let's get this moved aside and find out what we've got. Okay. So this month in our SketchBox, there's the art from our featured artist. This month we have the premium blue charcoal box. Interesting. Let's see what's inside. So we have, just gonna grab and go down the list, a Faber-Castell charcoal set. This is a 7-piece set and offers a wide variety of charcoal mediums and tools. Use the charcoal stick for sketching and toning areas underneath the charcoal pencils in this set. The blending stump creates soft gradients, and the kneadable eraser is great for picking out highlights. This is a retail value of $15.70. Let me show you exactly what's in this box. Okay. So we have got some like vine charcoal sticks here. Our blending stump. We have a Pit Pastel that is, it's a Pit Pastel medium, and that looks to be white. There is, it's very hard to read the gold on the tan. So this is just says Pit Charcoal, and I know it tells me what it says here, but my eyes cannot see that. So I'm guessing soft. And then of course we have the medium. Yeah, so this one's soft and this one is the medium. So you have the Pit Charcoal soft medium, the medium in the white, our blending stump, our vine charcoal sticks, and our kneaded eraser. So those are in the box. Like this will set here for me. Next up, we have our chunky charcoal. This is our chunky charcoal. It is what has made a mess in my box. And it is black, of course, and it's great for large areas and rich blacks. Use this art supply to increase the contrast of your artwork, and its retail price is $4.59. The next item in the box is this little guy, and this is a Holbein soft pastel. This is a blue-gray 3. We have the blue-gray 3, and that is a beautiful tone to complement the rich blue of the Fabriano pad that's in this month's box. And the retail price of this guy is $5.05. Next up is Pitt Artist Brush Pen, and we have one of those in white. Create stark highlights with this white brush pen. Its flexible tip offers both thin and thicker lines. It retails for $4.10, and I will show you that tip right there. I'm very excited to have this, and I look forward to seeing how well that does with for highlights. And once I put it down, is it waterproof or can it move with water? Because of course I wouldn't just be using it in this box. I'd want to use it with other things like maybe my watercolors or something like that. So I'm going to be interested to test that some more. Next up is the Prismacolor colored pencil. And we're going to use this white color pencil to create subtle highlights directly on the tone paper in this month's box. And the retail price for this is $2.20. So the Prismacolor white pencil, which I imagine being a waxy, soft, waxy pencil, when we put this down, it's not going to smudge or blend. However, when we use the Pit Pastel medium white pencil, we would be able to, smudge that around and kind of blend that in with the things. So both definitely have their use and benefit I can see in this month's box. In addition, we have the Faber-Castell Trio Sharpener. I'm really excited about this. I've had this on my list to drop in a cart so many times, and I just haven't done it yet. I've heard really good things about this for sharpening pastel pencils. And of course, charcoal pencils are softer, so hopefully this is going to work out really well. And you'll see it has 3 spots in there. This one says color, this one says jumbo, and then this says graphite. So there's three different holes there for the various pencils, and the shaving contained right in the lid. So they say that it's the perfect for sharpening the variety of materials that are in this month's box, and it retails for $7.20. So yeah, I'm happy that I have to try out now. There, of course, is our SketchBox sticker. You can see like the broken charcoal and the pastel stick. Last but not least, we have the Fabriano toned paper. This is a 4x6 pad. There's 15 sheets of 85-pound paper. And the color is C. And this mid-tone paper has a subtle texture and works well for a variety of dry mediums. And the blue tone of this pad offers a unique take on charcoal artwork. Now, this is a retail value of $9.99. You see there is the color of that blue. So the prompt to inspire us this month is glow. I have an idea for that. I need to work that out, and we'll probably come back in another video and create with these supplies. But for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to unbox and share with you the contents of the February 2023 SketchBox, and this is the premium blue charcoal box. So if you see this box and you go, oh, I wish I would have got that one, SketchBox usually sells their boxes. They sell past month's boxes. So probably around next month or so, you should see this box, if there are any available, come up on their website that you can purchase. But if their subscription box isn't the right thing for you, but you do see something here that you really want to try out, as always, I will try to find all of these items individually and link them below so that you can try them. Now, those will be affiliate links, and using them definitely doesn't cost you more, but does help the channel. So those links will be in the description. What did you think of this box? Have you used this? Do you have this set? I've only done a little bit in charcoal, and I'm really looking forward to blending the charcoal with the soft pastel and seeing just what we can do to create something that glows for this month box. So I'm going to put another video up right here that you might like to watch in the meantime. If you got this box, have fun. Share with me what you've created. I can't wait to see it. Would this be all new mediums to you? Or do you love to work in charcoal and pastel? Let me know, and we will chat it on the comments. Until next time, friends, keep creating, and I'll see you soon.